Hello friends, is your car experiencing sudden jerks, misfires, or stalling out of nowhere? You scan the system and find error code P0374. But what does it mean? This code signals a problem with your high-resolution timing reference signal, which affects your engine's performance. Ignoring it can lead to serious engine damage. But don't worry, today we'll cover what P0374 means, its symptoms, the exact sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. P0374 stands for Timing Reference High Resolution Signal A, no pulses. This means the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, is not detecting any timing pulses from the crankshaft or camshaft position sensor. These signals are essential for proper engine timing. Without them, your engine might misfire, hesitate, or even stall completely. Common symptoms of P0374: check engine light is on, engine misfires or rough idling, loss of power and hesitation while accelerating, hard starting or no start condition, poor fuel efficiency, and sudden engine stalling. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the faulty sensor and fix the problem. The crankshaft and camshaft position sensors send timing signals to the PCM. If there's no pulse, the PCM flags the P0374 error. Key locations to inspect crankshaft position sensor, located near the crankshaft pulley, harmonic balancer, or flywheel. Camshaft position sensor found on the engine cylinder head, near the timing cover. Wiring and connectors, look for damaged, corroded, or disconnected wiring leading to these sensors. And finally, the PCM. If sensors and wiring are fine, the issue may be a failing PCM. Tip sensor placement varies depending on the vehicle. Check your repair manual for the exact location. Alright, let's dive into the common causes of the P0374 error code. First up, we have a faulty crankshaft position sensor. If this sensor fails, the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, gets no signal. Next, a defective camshaft position sensor can be an issue. No pulse from this sensor means the engine timing gets disrupted. Broken or loose wiring can also cause problems. Corroded or frayed wires lead to signal loss. A malfunctioning PCM may misinterpret signals or not detect pulses, leading to the P0374 code. Timing chain or belt issues are another common cause. If the timing components are off, sensor readings may be incorrect. Finally, weak battery or alternator problems can affect sensor function due to low voltage. Now, how do we fix the P0374 code? First, scan the vehicle with an OBD-II scanner to check for related codes. Next, inspect the crankshaft and camshaft position sensors and replace them if they're faulty. Then, check the wiring harness for any damage or loose connections. After that, test the battery and alternator to ensure proper voltage. Also, inspect the timing chain or belt for any misalignment or wear. Finally, clear the code with an OBD-II scanner and take the car for a test drive. Ignoring the P0374 code can lead to severe engine issues. It's crucial to check the sensor, wiring, and timing system as soon as possible to avoid costly repairs. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos: P0046, Turbocharger Supercharger Boost Control Circuit Performance, and P0047, Turbocharger Supercharger Boost Control Solenoid Circuit Low. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.